Are you entitled to compensation for pain and suffering under Ohio law? The answer, yes you are. Hi, I'm David Schroyer. I'm a medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. I practice here in the state of Ohio. There are, however, limits on what you can receive for compensation under Ohio law for what we call non-economic damages. That's pain, suffering, inability to do usual functions, mental anguish. Those types of damages are capped under Ohio law. Now there's several different caps that apply. There's a $250,000 cap, a $350,000 cap, or a $500,000 cap. $500,000 caps are cases where there's a catastrophic injury, loss of an organ function. $250,000 is the usual cap. However, it can be increased to $350,000 if your medical bills are significant enough. So, unlike the old days, there are now caps on the most you can get on the non-economic portion of your case. That's resulted in different strategies in how we try cases now. We now try to prove as much as we can in economic damages by showing all of the economic damages that may occur in the future. This requires hiring experts such as vocational economic experts or life care planners. But as a result of the caps, now more doctors want to go to trial because there's not the fear of what I would like to think is a fair verdict. Caps result in unfair verdicts because they artificially limit damages for someone that could be very significantly injured and have a lifelong of pain. But those are in place, so when you're evaluating your case, you need to take that into consideration on what a probable jury verdict would be. In fact, the jurors are not even allowed to be told that there's caps on jury verdicts. The lawyers are not allowed to mention it in the courtroom. Hopefully they probably perhaps already know that, though. At any rate, if you have any sort of questions about what kind of damages you would have in a medical negligence case, feel free to give me a call. I answer those kind of questions all the time. My name is David Schroyer. My phone number is 614-228-6453, or you can drop me an email at lawyerschroyer@gmail.com.